Okay, so friends, I'm Dr. Hinavani, and I hope kids are attending today's session. So this is our second session regarding scholarship exam, and our today's topic is number work. Why number work topic I choose today? Because in the last lecture I give you the short introduction about the numbers, and today we learn more about it and the questions that are based on the topic numbers. Okay, so in the last session we had learned about the different classification, or you can say the criteria of the number, in which the first criteria was international number system. So international number system means in your English medium syllabus, whatever is taught to you, how to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to the infinity, all are the international number system. Okay, now in your Marathi textbook, these numbers are written in a different way. We write in Marathi like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we write the numbers. So this writing format is known as Devanagari Lipi. Okay, and we had learned about the Roman numbers also in the last lecture. We learn about the symbols that are used to represent the Roman number, and which are those symbols. So I, V, D, X, C and M. These are the 5 symbols which we learn to represent the Roman numbers. So and L also. Okay, so these are the symbols which we use to represent the Roman numbers: I, X, D, C means 1, 5, 10, 50, then 100 and 1000. Yes, these are the symbols which we use to represent the Roman numbers. Now see, before moving to the rules regarding Roman numbers, I will just explain one thing to you, that you all know about the different places of the digits where we put the numbers to form the 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 2-digit number. Okay, so we know the different names of that places. Okay, so which are those places? Before we move ahead to the Roman numbers, we look into the international number system, and we go to look for the places which represents the writing of the 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, or you can say 6-digit number. So we don't want to look into the international criteria. Just we whatever we use in our daily school life, that only things we have to see. So extreme rightmost place is known as ones place. Okay, or you can say unit place. Okay, now after unit place, to the left of your hand, the place is tens place, then hundredth place, thousandth place and lakh. Okay, so no, 10,000 is a different nomenclature. Okay, in our international naming system, we just write unit, tens in Indian format, tens, hundred, thousand and lakhs. Okay, so whenever I write 1, so the place value and face value, there are two different things about any number. So what is mean by place value and what is mean by face value? So place value means the place where the digit is placed, whether at unit, at tens, at hundred, at thousand, or at lakhs position. And the face value is the value of that digit or the number of that digit. Means if I write the number as, you can say, 23. So in the number 23, the place value of digit 3 is 3 because it is at tens unit position, and face value is also the same because it is number 3. But when we talk about the number 2, its place value is tens place, at tens place it is, so its place value is 20, but the face value is only 2. Okay, so these are the two different things which we already know, what is the place value and what is the face value. Okay, the digit at which it is placed, at the position it is placed, is known as its place value, but the face presentation of that digit, which number it is representing 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, that number is known as its face value. So these are the things which I want to explain you before we move ahead to learn about the numbers more, or we solve the practice exercise based on this number work. Now the for Roman numbers, when we use these symbols I, V, D, X, C, L and M, we know already what the I number represents. I represents the number 1, then X represents the number 10, V represents the number 5, L represents number 50, C represents number 100, D represents number 500, and M represents number 1000. So this thing I already explained you in the last session, in the first session of our lecture. I hope all the kids are understanding what is going on. So these are the international number value, or you can say our English numbers for the Roman symbols. Okay, now there are certain rules regarding these Roman numbers. So some rules we already seen in the last lecture, we'll just revise it and then we learn some more rules. Okay, so first rule was we can repeat only I and number X only, not V, not L, not C, not D, not M. We just can repeat I and X. Okay, and while repeating this I and X, the second rule is we can repeat it maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. Means if you want to write number 40 in Roman lipi, so you cannot write like 4x. Okay, this is wrong. There is a different method to write the number 40 in Roman numbers. Okay, we just can write the number 30 as 3x, but we cannot write the number 40 as 4x. So how to write number 40? So there is the another rule, that if smaller Roman number is written on left side of bigger number, then we have to subtract that smaller number from bigger number. How? Now see, you all know how to write number 4. Number 4 can be written as IV, where I is representing number 1 and V is representing number 5. Okay, so smaller number I is written at the left side of the bigger number V. Smaller number I is written at the left side of bigger number V. So you have to subtract I from V, means 5 minus 1. So it is representing number 4. Like this only you can write the number 40, because you know L is representing number 50 and X is representing number 10. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So how you will write number 40 in Roman numbers? You have to just write the smaller number at the left side of the bigger number. So this is the correct way to write the number 40 in the Roman number. So this is our rule number 3, where smaller number is always written at the left side of the bigger number, and we have to subtract that smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. Now the next rule is opposite of this rule. How? So see, next rule is rule number 4. Okay. Rule number 4. What is rule number 4? When bigger number is at the left side and smaller number at the right side. Right side of whom? Right side of you, not right side of the page. Okay, you are looking towards the page, and whatever is your left hand is the left side, whatever is your right hand is the right side. Okay, so when bigger number is at the left and smaller number is at the right, then we add those numbers. For example, number 2, simple. How to write number 2? I representing 1 and 2 times I represent number 2, where we add 1 plus 1. Same way, if we have to write 21, how you will write? 2x is representing 20, because we can repeat x maximum 3 times, and I for 1. So 2xi is representing number 21, where we add all them, 10 plus 1. Okay, so whenever bigger number, see, x is bigger than 1, bigger number is at the left side and smaller number is at the right side, we add them. Or the fifth rule is, whenever same number is repeated, then also we add them. Okay, so these are the some rules regarding Roman numbers. Okay, now in this way you can write any Roman number. I surely have guarantee that if you know all the rules carefully, you know all the symbols properly, which symbol representing what, then you can write any Roman number without fail. So once again we'll repeat and then we'll move to the practice exercise. Now see what we had seen. We had seen that some symbols are used in Roman lipi to represent our international number system. Okay, now I is representing 1, here x is representing 10, v is representing 5, l is representing 50, c is representing 100, and d is representing 500, and m is representing 1000. Now the very first rule is, we can just repeat I and x number out of these 6 symbols in the Roman numbers. Okay, and we can repeat it maximum 3 times. This is our rule number 2. Okay, now the third rule is, smaller number when written on the left side of the bigger number, means bigger number should be at the right side, smaller number should be at the left side, then we subtract smaller from bigger. Okay, and opposite of it is when bigger number is at the left side and smaller number is at the right side, we add them. Okay, and whenever the same number is repeated 2 times, 3 times, then also we add. Okay, so these are the rules on which all the Roman numbers are based. Now we'll move to the practice exercise. This PDF also I am going to share you so that notes like something will be there with you. Now see, how will you write the number 2,400,000 using international numerals? Now you must know the places of the digit, which I already told you before, after we start the session. Now see, from right side, if we look, this is unit place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place, this is lakh place, and this is 10 lakh position. Okay. Now which number they told you? 2,400,000. Now 2 lakhs means 2 will come at the lakhs position. Now 400 means at 100th position the digit is 4. Okay, and there is nothing at the 1000 or 1000 or 10,000 position, there is nothing. 1000 and 10,000 position is also here. Okay, so you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakhs. Okay, now there is nothing at the 10,000 position and there is nothing at the 1000 position, means there is 0 digit. No number means 0. Okay, now tens and unit place also there is no number, so it is also we put their digit as 0. So how we had written the number 2,004,000. Now see, where is the option 2,004,000? So option A is 2 lakh, but it is 40. Option B is 20,040, not 2 lakhs. C is 2,004,000, means which number we had written, the same number is here at option C. So your answer is option C. And you have to fill the circle like this. Complete filling of circle, no wide gap and no going out of the circle, or no place should be remain inside the circle. Okay. So this is the method to write the number. First you write the places, means unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs position, and then you write which number is asked to you. You just fill the digits and you will find the correct answer. We had just done the same thing. 2 lakhs they said, so we put the 2 number at the lakhs position, and they said directly 400, so we keep the 4 at the 100 position, and the remaining position we keep the digit as 0. So this is our number, which is 2,04,000. So this is the one type of question which was asked on the topic number work. Now the second type of question, I had just taken the different formats of the question, or different formats on which the question is asked. There are similar questions like this, 3-4 questions are similar like this, that number is given and you have to find the correct number out of this. Number is given in word method and you have to find in the digit method. Okay. Now the next format is find out the odd from the given pairs of Devanagari and international number. Now different pairs of Devanagari and international numbers are given to you and we have to find the odd number from it. Okay, now the first is 5684. before solving this question, you all should know how to write the numbers in Marathi Lipi, means Devanagari Lipi also, and in the English also. English you all know, Marathi I think you all are struggling little bit. Okay. Now 5684 means 5684. 5684. The same number is written and equal to sign is there. So this is the correct one. Now 3461. The same number is repeated. We just check 6431. No, these are the two different numbers and equal to sign is given. But we'll check the other things also. 7253, 7253, 9374, 9374. So this one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct. So which one is odd? 3467 and 6431 वाला जो pair है वो odd है. So you have to fill the circle like this. And you have to choose the answer. Okay. Now this was a very simple question. Now we'll move ahead to the next question. Now here you have to solve this equation and you have to choose the correct option. Option I had not given to you. I will just explain here how to choose here which operation you have to do first. Now see, here two things you have to do, division also and subtraction also. Now which work you choose first, division or subtraction? So always choose first division. Okay, means whenever in some problem bracket is not given to you, bracket is not given to you, then if there is multiplication, there is division, there is addition and there is subtraction, so always choose multiplication and division में से दोनों में से कोई भी एक first and then you do addition or subtraction. Okay, if you choose subtraction first, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, now you think कि अरे मैंने तो बराबर solve किया but मेरा कैसे गलत हो गया, because you choose the wrong method. So we have to first divide this and whatever answer we got, we have to subtract 6 from that answer. Now we'll do the division. Okay, now what is given? 36360 divided by 60. Now this 0 from both the side will get cancelled. When we write like in the denominator numerator format, we always do this thing. Okay, so here also this 3660 is our numerator and 60 is denominator, because 60 is dividing this number. So 0 from both the side will get cancelled. Okay, now what is remaining? 3636 divided by 6. Now you can do it easily. Okay, 6 6 are 36. 0 will be the remainder, 3 will come down. Now we cannot divide 3 with 6, so 0, and then we'll bring down 6 and again 6 6 are 36. So your answer is 606. Now from this 606 we can subtract 60. Now subtract 6 minus 0, 6. Now 6 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will borrow from this 6. This 6 become 5, this 0 become 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4 and 5 will come down as it is because there is no digit. So your answer is 546. Okay. 1 second. We have to subtract 6. Sorry, not 60. We have to subtract 6. The question get hidden. So 606 minus 6. So this is simple one. No need to solve because 606 minus 6 is 600. So your answer is 600. Okay. Now this is the way to solve the problem, because whenever such a things are there, division is there, subtraction is there together, or multiplication is there, subtraction is there, or addition is there, then always do division first, always do multiplication first, then subtraction, then addition. Okay, so your answer is 600. We here just divide 36360 with 60. We got the answer as 606. Then we subtract the 6 from 606 and we got our answer as 600. Now the next question. Now some numerals are given to you. We have to add them, but the numerals are given in Roman format and the answer is given in international number system. Now here what you can do, now here you have to write the international numbers for these Roman numbers. Now see, X and V, I. Now X representing 10. So X, V, I, the number represents 10 plus V means X, V 2 times I. Okay. Here X represents 10, V represents 5 and 2 times I represents 1 plus 1. So this number is 10 plus 5 plus 2 means 17. Okay. Now why I add all of them? Because see, bigger number is at the right side, or sorry, at the left side, and smaller numbers are at the right side. So we add them. Okay, so the number is 17. Now Ix means, now see, smaller number I is at the left side of the X, means you have to subtract here 1 from the 10. So the number is 9. Now what is mean by IV? IV represents 4. You all know, because you know the Roman numbers up to the 10 or 20. And C means 100. Now solve this. What you have to do? You have to add and subtract and solve the question. So what is given? VII XVI plus IX minus IV plus C. Now put the values. 17 plus 9 minus 4 plus 100. Now first do all the additions. Okay, 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 minus 4 plus 100 means 26 minus 4 gives you the answer as 22, and plus 100 means 122 is your answer, which is option B. Okay, so this is the way to solve when the numbers are given in Roman format and the answer is given in international format. You have to write those Roman numbers in the international numerals first and then do the operation. Now here for addition subtraction there is no specific rule. You can add or subtract whatever you want. Okay, so I here solved it stepwise manner, because I add these two numbers, then whatever answer I got, I subtract this 4 from that answer, and then I add the value of C, which is 100, to the answer. So I got the answer as 122. Now the next question. Here you have to simplify the given sum. Now again the problem is given in Roman form numerals and you have to convert it into your international roaming system, numeral system, and then you have to solve it. Now here also I will do this division first, then this division, and then I multiply whatever answer I got. Now write the international numerals for these numbers. Now M means 1000 and L means 50. Okay. Into D means 500 and C means 100. And XL means L represents 50 and X represents 10. Smaller number is written at the left side, so you have to subtract 10 from 50, so the number is 40. Now here I will subtract this 100 from 500 first and then divide with 40. Okay, so 1000 divided by 50 is equal to 20 multiplied by 400 divided by 40 means 10. 400 divided by 40, 0 will get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 and 0 4 zeros are 0, so 10. Okay, so 20 multiplied by 10 means what? 200. Now your answers are given in Roman numerals. Okay, so which number represents 200 here? So CC means 100 plus 100. CL means C represents 100 and this represents 50, but we cannot write like this. Okay, XC again represents 90 and LL represents 50 plus 50 100, but we don't write 100 like LL. Okay, so your answer is answer A, means CC means 100. 200. Okay, now the next question. Now see here, one more thing we understood, that only the symbol IXC get repeated. Okay, C also we can repeat, because when we have to write number 200, number 300, 400 we can write ki 500 minus 100, but 200 and 300 we cannot write without repeating the C. So with the number I and X we repeat the number C also. Okay. Now the next question. Now next question is little bit a tricky question. Now see, there are the chairs from XXVII to LXVI in a row. So how many chairs are there in a row? Now first discover what is meant by XXVI. XX means 20 and VII means number 7. So this is number 27. Now LXVI. L means 50 and X means 10 and smaller number is written at the right side, so you have to add both of them. So this is 60 and plus VI means 6, so this is number 66. Once again I will explain. First look at the repeating numbers. So which number is repeated? XX is repeated 2 times, so this means 20. Okay, now look into VII. VII you all know, VII means 7. So 20 plus 7, 27. Because again smaller number is at the right side of the bigger number, so we add them. Now look into LX first. Here X is smaller than L and it is written at the right side, so you have to add them. So it becomes 60 and VI means 6. So 66 is the number. Now see, chairs are from 27 number to 66 number and they had asked how many chairs are there in a row. Now find out how many chairs. So you subtract this 27 from 66. So what is your answer? 7 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we borrow from this near 6. So 16 minus 7, 9. and 5 minus 2, 3. 39. But is it 39 the answer or not? Because many students do the mistake here only. Now see, chairs are from number 27 to the number 66. So whenever we add 39 to this 27, we got the number as 66. But whether we had counted this 27th number ka chair or not? No, because we add additional 39 chairs in it. But we have to count here this 27th number chair also. So here the answer is 40, not 39. And the mistake which students always do is this only. They just find out both the number, they find the difference in between the numbers, and they click the answer in a hurry. But see, there are chairs and they had asked all the chairs, number of chairs. So you have to count the first chair also, from which we go to the chair number 66. Okay. So 27 also we have to count in the counting. So total number of chairs are 40 here, not 39. Okay. So I had choose the questions where maximum time children can do the mistake or they cannot understand the question properly. Now here, how many hours after xi will the clock show to IV? Now you tell me what is meant by xi. Now see, I is the smaller number written at the right side, x is the bigger number written on the left side. So what you will do here, we add. So xi means 11 o'clock. Now look at the IV. V is the bigger number at the right side, I is the smaller number at the left side, so subtract. So V minus I, 4. Now from 11 o'clock up to the 4 o'clock, how many hours we pass? 5 hours. And which Roman number represents 5? V. So your answer is B. Okay. It was a simple question. After one tricky question, there should be one simple question, because our brain will remain active. Okay. Now again, this is addition subtraction of the numbers, but the numbers are given in a Roman format and the answers are given in the international numerals. Now same thing you have to do here. Write the numbers for the international numbers, or sorry, Roman numbers, and then do the operation. Now x means 10, I will just first look at the x because it represents something tens. Okay, so x means 10 and IV means 4, you all know. So this is number 14. C means, you all know, 100. Now what is mean by XXI? 2 times x means 20 and I means 21 plus VII means 7. Now see, I told you whenever addition subtraction is there, you can do anything. So you can add first 14 plus 100, it gives you the answer as 114. Now from 114 subtract 21 and then add 7. So 114 minus 21 gives you the answer as 93 plus 7 is equal to 100. So your answer is 100. You can do by another way also, minus 21 plus 7 minus 14, but you don't have the integers right now or you don't have any idea about how to do the operations on integers. So go step by step. First add this, then subtract 21 from the answer and then add 7 into the answer. So your answer is 100. Now last but not the least question, second last question of the today's session. I had selected some 10 questions which were tricky something to solve. So students get the idea how to solve the questions based on number work. There are so many questions in this pattern and you can try it at home to do more practice. Now see, m minus d divided by L. Okay, now write the international numerals for the Roman numbers and then solve the question. Now m means 1000 minus d means 500 divided by L means 50. Now which operation you will do here first? Division or subtraction? Division or subtraction. So I told you in the last question also, you have to do first division or multiplication. So I will divide first this 500 with 50. Whatever answer I got, that answer should be subtracted from the 1000. If you first subtract this 500 from 1000 and then divide with 50, then your answer is wrong. So always first do multiplication or division when 2-3 things are given together. So 500 should be divided with the 50 first. This is the correct method. Now 500 divided by 50. Now divide 500 with 50. 50 ones are 50. 50 zeros are 0 means 10. So when we divide 500 with 50, we got the answer as 10. Now 10 to be subtracted from 1000. So your answer is 990. So this is the correct answer. Okay. If you subtract 500 from 1000, then your answer will be 500 here. And when you divide this 500 with 50, you got the answer as 10. 10 option is also there in the option, but this is wrong answer. Okay. So whenever you got your mark sheet, you thought कि अरे मैंने तो बराबर solve किया, फिर क्यों wrong आ गया, पहले तो division ही दिया था. But the method or the steps what you follow was wrong. Okay. So whenever subtraction, division, subtraction, multiplication, addition, division, multiplication with addition or division is given, you have to first do the division or multiplication. Okay, and then only you can subtract or add. Now the next question is very simple. These Roman numerals are there and you have to arrange in the descending order. Now you all know the values of Roman number. So which Roman number is the bigger one? Because for descending order we always write which is bigger first. So m is bigger in all because it represents the 1000. So m will come first. Then which Roman number will come? D will come because it represents 500. Then C will come as it represents 100. Then L will come as it represents 50. Then X and then V and then I. I is not given here, but I will come lastly. Okay. So this is descending order. In the descending order, we write the bigger member of the family first and then smaller to it, smaller to it, smaller to it, smaller to it. Okay. So this is all about the today's lecture. We learn about the numbers. We learn about the rules regarding Roman numbers. And we had solved some examples that are based on the number work. Okay. Now see, till today books are not yet published. So I had taken some topics from the 5th standard syllabus. But whenever the books will get published, I will take it more means whatever syllabus is there, that only we can take or we can follow. Our lecture duration will be also of 2 hours and every Saturday, Sunday. Till the book get published, we will take only on the Saturday. and I hope you like the today's lecture. So if any query, you can ask me personally or on the group also. So till next Saturday, revise the topic which I had taken.